Hey, we're Ian and Jenny. We're a pair of creatives who left our corporate jobs to chase something a little different. For us, that means packing our bags and experiencing the world one step at a time. In this video, we're sharing how we planned the next 7 months of our lives and how we're getting ready for the journey ahead. China's been getting a lot of buzz lately, and since Ian and I have never been, we're starting out by checking out the biggest cities first. We have a long layover in Incheon before landing in Guangzhou, and from there, we'll make our way to the pandas of Chengdu, the cyberpunk streets of Chongqing before landing in Shanghai. We'll also be visiting a few lesser-known places like Wangshan Valley as well as Xiamen that we're super excited to show you. For Christmas, we should be in Vietnam for a month checking out a few UNESCO World Heritage Sites such as Hoi An and Hanoi. And then over the next few months, we'll be touring Cambodia, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, and Indonesia, where we'll be checking out the Pink Beach Komodo Island. By the time spring is around, we should be wrapping up in South Korea and Japan. From Japan, we'll be taking a 15-day Trans-Pacific cruise back to Canada. In total, we're visiting 10 countries and over 20 cities over the course of 202 days. Some of the things that we're most excited to see during our trip is reuniting with Fubao and seeing other pandas, exploring Siem Reap for the first time, seeing cherry blossoms in Korea, and eating ramen in Japan. We're gonna keep track of our spend throughout the trip, so if you ever wonder what long-term travel feels like, you'll get a pretty good idea. But more than that, we want to bring you for the journey and to experience everything firsthand. The experience, the culture, the food, all of it. If you're planning a trip of your own, or just curious of this kind of lifestyle, we hope this series gives you something useful, or at least something entertaining to watch.
So there's a couple things that we learned from our previous trip, and the first thing that we learned is that we packed way too much. Each of us had our own huge case that we were lugging around, as well as a backpack. This time, we're both gonna have carry-ons so that we're a lot more agile than last time. The second thing that we've improved is that we brought a drone. So over the past few weeks, I spent my time learning how to fly this thing with the goal of us being able to provide some great aerial shots for you guys. So last and not least, our website's finally up and running. So the website is chasingthechunks.com, and Jenny spent a lot of time putting this thing up. So if you're ever curious about where we are or what we're doing, that's a great place to look. If you're also looking for additional details, like what places need visas, or what apps you should have when entering a specific country, how to get around, all those kind of details we've put in there as well. All in all, we're super excited for this trip. We're still crossing all our T's and dotting all the I's right now, planning as we go. And we don't have everything nailed down yet, so if you guys have any interesting places we should check out or interesting sites we should see, please leave them in the comments below, because we'll definitely take a look. We hope to see you guys out there. If you feel like this content is right up your alley, please leave a like and give us a follow. Ciao!